Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change time in TradingView to change the time and session settings. So firstly, I will tell you how you can do it. Here you will see in your top navigation bar, here is our time section. Once you tap on it, here you can easily adjust the chart time according to yourself. Like if you want to see every setting chart, you can press the second button. If you want to see every minute chart, you can also enable it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes like this. Or if you want to adjust like hours, days or a range. Also to change the time, here you will see in a bottom section, once you scroll down, you will find here a scroll bar. You can simply easily drag and drop the time to shift, okay, for every minutes, every days and every hours. After that, now we will open the time settings, like how to change time format and how to change the time zone. So once you open these settings, you can simply go to scale and line. Here scroll down and then after here you will see the time hour format. Like if you want the time in a 24-hour format or a 12-hour format, you can easily manage it here. Also, once you go to your symbol section, here you will see a time zone. Simple tap on it and then you can easily change the time zone. Okay, and then press OK to save the settings. So these are the settings for the time zone in TradingView.